sa tanan. Gusto mo siguro, no?
Yes! Yes!
Okay.
Ayaw mo
First of all, thank you God sa opportunity na magkatapos na karon. At first is murari sa Jackie na to. So, thank you, Body President, Miss me o Mrs.? Mr. and Mrs. Okay, Jennifer Bisinga, and of course, the Buddha Vice President and my buddy, By Marnel, and of course, the owner of the resort, Sir, Uncle, thank you sa lugar na ang gaway, ang pagtapos-tapos na ron. Oh, at the same time, happy ko na nakita na to ang kwan, kaning resulta sa atong mga plano na mabuo na to ang grupo. Buddha. At first is, it's just a dream. We started from, here ko nag-start sa workshop, no? Second workshop at DPWH na nagplano si Kuya Loloy for Bohol United Athletes na kitang tanan, mag-enjoy, mag-unite, tanang bulano na hopefully in the future target na to, national competition. So, we're starting already to compete. National competition first at Calape, second at Cagayan. Next time, it's a challenge, Cebu. So we're going to skip for Cagayan de Oro. We have to focus more on Cebu City. So we still have until September. So di tamad sa league. Mag-training na ta. Karon pa lang daan is a good start for the training. Para dili lang ta. We're not going to join. We're not just going to join. We're going or rather we're not going to be part of it. We're going to aim for gold. Ano? At the same time, for future nato mga plans is of course parang nakaitapasikan po sa atong team na yung salid na to, amo, sponsor sa asa man ta sunod. So hopefully, international, hindi lang national atong target, international. But, kung saan man nila ito pag-achieve, kundi sa atong commitment